So for today's video, it's actually a pretty interesting video. I've been wanting to bring you guys one of these videos in a while, but today we're heading over to the shop and starting, I guess, finally recording there. I am running kind of late shit because I was gonna take the Mini Cooper, but the battery was dead and I just had to move some car. Went to go grab my portable jumper and it was dead too, so I was like damn, which ended up just taking out the Mustang. Right now we're actually on our way, oh shit, hold on, which isn't that far of a drive. It's probably like a good 20-minute drive without traffic, so it's not too bad. I don't really know exactly, well actually I do. Oh, cop. Hello sir. LAPD are chill. It's only like yeah, see, they just kept on. LAPD and sheriffs are cool. It's usually like, man, I'm not gonna say anything, you know, it's good. Usually Torrance PD that gives me problems. I don't really know exactly what we're going to be doing. I do know we're going to be pretty much building a GTO. It's literally just the frame sitting at the shop right now. We are going to pretty much build it and put it back together. Yesterday we did take measurements just to make sure that the frame wasn't just to make sure it wasn't, or is not, misaligned in general. Today, from what I got yesterday, is that we're going to be cleaning the frame since it is pretty much dirty and kind of rusty. So we're going to be cleaning it and prepping it and getting it ready. I don't know exactly what's going to be done, but we will find out once we get to the shop. So let me go ahead and pretty much focus on the drive, and I'll pick up the camera once we get there. So here we are at the shop. It is kind of loud because we are starting to get to work. But let me go ahead and show you some of the cars we have around here. We do have that Pontiac right here, you guys see. And we have some other cars here, like this Mustang. I do like Mustangs, but I prefer, my dream is, or one of my dreams is a 69 fastback. This ain't a fastback though, so, but it's still nice. Then we have this truck right here, which we did pretty much do work. When it did come in, it was crashed from the back, and pretty much in that stage, we took it apart, interior and everything, and pretty much did full body and paint on this. This is a new bed just because the original one was pretty much already done. And this guy was rusted out, pretty much this whole piece right here, where we did cut and welded a new piece of sheet metal and then did some body work, and this is pretty much the result right here. It's almost done. We just need a couple more things. Also did the bed liner on the back. And coming back to this side, we have two sections. We got the mechanic and the body side, or yeah, body work side, which is where I'm at. On the mechanic side, we do have this Malibu that's being worked on, which is getting a QA1 suspension on it. It's a pretty nice build. We are doing paint and body on this car too once it's done with the mechanic side. I don't even know if they have it on. Oh yeah, they do. Check that. Really nice. Like this guy here, I don't know if he's here. Oh, there he is.
I'm changing the whole suspension.
Alright.
So control arm, shocks, what else? Sway bar. Taking off those goddamn springs, putting coilovers on. Okay. Some pretty nice coilovers.
You already put this the QA1s, huh? On the front?
Yeah. That shit looks good.
It does. I was looking at it right now. Right now, I'm gonna go ahead and get back to my station and pretty much get to work. We're gonna go ahead and start grinding the thing and pretty much show how it's done. It's gonna be a time lapse like always, so let's get to it. Alright guys, so it's currently a new day. We're still currently working on the GTO. However, at the shop we don't I guess work on the same car every day. Just the GTO is considered the shop's car, and all the other cars are, you know, customer cars that we have to pretty much get finished. So the GTO is going to be kind of a slow project where we put hands on from time to time. And I also don't go there every day, so there are going to be some times where the car looks more complete than it did in the last clip. But since this video is still kind of short, I don't really have that much footage. I'm going to continue off this video with what we're going to do next. So we are pretty much trying to get the Mustang ready to get painted. We just sanded the roof off that was rusting and sprayed it with some epoxy to seal the metal. And then now we just have to open the window to let some of the echo out. But now we just have to pretty much sand the side scoop or the window louvers, and then buy the side scoop and pretty much paint those little parts as well as the roof. And we'll be one step closer to having the bumper back installed onto the Mustang. So right now I'm going to go ahead and get changed and head over to the shop, and I'll pick up the camera once we get over there. So let's get it.
And just like that, we are at the end of the video. I just got off of work right now, so I was trying to do some Uber deliveries just to make a quick side money to buy some more parts. But there's nothing going on right now, so I'll probably just go home. And people are staring at me because I'm talking to myself like I'm crazy. But anyways, like I was saying, this is gonna be it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoy. Obviously, when it comes to the shop videos, there's going to be like not really set on one specific car, but I will pretty much do like 2 days worth of shop in one video. So it'll be me working on multiple cars as opposed to just one, and doing multiple stuff as opposed to just one thing. So you guys will see like me sanding in the video, and then the next clip will be me pretty much, I don't know, painting or doing something else. Other than that, like I said, that's gonna be it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you for everybody that tuned in, and thank you for everybody that stayed this long. My people keep staying here. Thank you so much for every single one of you guys, and I'll catch you guys on the next video. Peace.